Here is the bodyworks. They're pretty comfortable. I haven't wrecked in them. I'm not going to test them. I hope not. But I am 150 pounds. I'm 5'11", so I'm thin. And I got the mediums, and they fit perfect. These are over my jeans. They fit perfect. Very breathable, stretchable. The pads are in the right places on this pair. I like them. I think you will too if you're looking at them. They're very much breathable. You could wear them with just shorts underneath them, I suppose. But it's cold here, so. But I'm pleased. It's not very heavy material at all, but the pads are there and they're in the place you need them. I really think they are, especially if you crash. You know what I mean? So, anyways, hope that helps somebody. I think they're compared to the other ones I looked at. These really are. These would be my first choice. Thank you. Hope that helps somebody.
This is on 1, and then 6 is the highest it goes. You can actually hear the air moving at this level, and this is a whirlwind of air.
Just bought this and put it in my reno here. Still renovating, but this light is really nice, clean, bright, multiple settings, and this fan looks real crisp.